soldier in a field of green, worn out suit of yesterday. Faithful have I always been, standing in the wind and rain. But if only I'd a song to sing, I'd sing it every day. Stand alone beneath the sky in summer heat and winter snow. My eyes are blind, my voice is dumb, the wind has blown my hat away. But if only I'd a song to sing, I'd sing it every day. Changing seasons all around me, each one with a tale of his own to tell. I'm all alone here in a field unseen, reaching for the stars above. Silence fills my head of straw,